Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best paper window blinds is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly window treatments available, offering a surprisingly effective way to control light and add a touch of simple elegance to any room without breaking the bank. These blinds are a fantastic option for renters, dorm rooms, or anyone looking for a temporary or cost-effective solution that still delivers on style and functionality, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to enhance your living space and create a more comfortable atmosphere. Number 5. Redi Shade No Tools Original Light Filtering Paper Shade. Introducing the Redi Shade Original Light Filtering Shade. Achieve a perfect fit for your windows in seconds, without any tools or hardware. Simply trim it at home for a custom fit inside or outside your window frame. Installation is a breeze, no drills or screws needed. Enjoy softly filtered light that provides privacy and UV protection. It's the ideal way to control light in any room. Our cordless design offers a clean, modern look while ensuring child safety. Raise and lower it easily with the included clips. Crafted from durable paper, it resists yellowing and cracking from sun exposure. It's a reliable window solution designed for longevity. For over 30 years, it's been the trusted no-tools window covering solution. Perfect for homes, apartments, dorms, and even RVs. What we like? This option offers ultimate flexibility with its trim-at-home feature. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution for multiple windows without any hassle, this is the one for you. It's perfect for renters or anyone who moves frequently, providing privacy and light control without permanent installation. What people say. These blinds are easy to install and cut to size. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The adhesive backing holds them securely in place. Number 4. Redi Shade Original Light Filtering Fabric Shade. Introducing the Redi Shade Original Fabric Shade. It's designed for a perfect fit, inside or outside your window frame. Installation is a breeze, taking only seconds. Forget drills, screws, or brackets. Our innovative design means no tools are required for installation. It's the simple, convenient solution you've been looking for. Enjoy soft, filtered light that enhances privacy and protects your furnishings from UV rays. Made from durable, non-woven polyester fabric, it's both functional and stylish. Experience a clean, modern look with our always cordless design. Not only does it look great, but it also ensures child safety. Use the included clips to easily adjust the shade. This shade works beautifully on its own or can be layered with your existing window treatments. It's a versatile solution designed in the USA for any home. For over 3 decades, we've provided reliable, no-tools window covering solutions. It's the perfect choice for homes, apartments, dorms, and even RVs. What we like? Consider this if you desire a slightly softer look and feel for your windows. Its non-woven polyester fabric offers a more refined appearance than paper. If you like to layer your window treatments for a more customized style or need a versatile option that works alone or with existing curtains, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These blinds are easy to install and can be cut to size. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The adhesive is strong and holds the blinds securely. Number 3. Achim Home Décor Cordless Pleated Window Shades. Introducing Achim Home Décor's innovative cordless pleated window shades. Effortlessly control light and privacy in any room. Installation is a breeze with our 1-2-3 peel and stick design. Simply adhere the top rail to your window frame for a secure fit in seconds. Enjoy peace of mind with our cordless design. It's completely child and pet safe, eliminating the hazard of tangled cords. Easily adjust the shade to your desired level of light or darkness. Use the included clips to secure it perfectly in place. These shades can be trimmed to fit your window precisely, up to 9 inches on each side. Achieve a custom look with ease. Choose from 3 stylish colors, white, black, and latte, and 2 convenient widths to perfectly complement your decor. What we like? For those who prioritize complete darkness and a sleek, modern look, this vinyl shade is ideal. If you're seeking to create a true blackout environment in your bedroom or media room, or if you prefer a smooth, easy-to-clean surface, this peel and stick option is a fantastic solution. What people say. These blinds are easy to install and can be cut to size. They provide good light blocking and privacy. The adhesive is strong and holds the blinds securely in place. Number 2. Cordless no-drill easy install pleated paper blinds. Introducing our innovative window coverings, designed for a quick and easy upgrade to any room. They offer a clean, modern look without the hassle of traditional installation. Forget about drills and complicated tools. Our shades install in just 3 simple steps: cut, peel, and stick. Enjoy a secure fit with no damage to your window frames. Easily trim them to your exact window size for a seamless appearance. They provide a better durability than paper blinds and are simpler to install than regular curtains. Crafted from safe, breathable material, they filter light beautifully. The insulated back reflects heat, helping to regulate room temperature for ultimate comfort. With a cordless design and no dangling cords, they are perfect for homes with children and pets. Enjoy peace of mind with these safe and convenient window treatments. Ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and even doors. They provide a stylish and functional solution for light filtering and privacy in any space. What we like? This shade is a great choice if you're looking for energy efficiency and light filtering capabilities. The silver foil insulation helps regulate room temperature, making it ideal for bedrooms or nurseries where comfort is key. If you need a customizable fit and a breathable material, this option offers both practicality and comfort. What people say. These blinds are easy to install and cut to size. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The adhesive is strong and holds the blinds securely. Number 1. Redi Shade Original Blackout Paper Shade. Introducing the Redi Shade Original Blackout Paper Shade. It's the revolutionary window covering solution that requires absolutely no tools for installation. Simply prep your surface and trim it at home for a perfect fit, inside or outside your window frame. You can install it in seconds without any drills, screws, or brackets. Experience complete privacy and light control as it blocks 99% of light. It also provides essential UV protection, making it ideal for bedrooms and children's rooms. Enjoy a clean, cordless look for enhanced child safety. Use the included clips to easily raise and lower the shade for convenient operation. Crafted from durable paper, it's designed to withstand sun exposure without cracking. This shade is designed in the USA for lasting quality. For over 30 years, it has been the go-to no-tools window covering. Use it on its own or layer it behind your existing window treatments for added versatility. What we like? If your main goal is to block out as much light as possible for ultimate privacy and sleep, this blackout shade is your best bet. It's perfect for bedrooms, children's rooms, or home theaters where light control is paramount. Its durable paper construction ensures it holds up well to sun exposure. What people say. The blinds are easy to install and cut to size. They provide good light filtering and privacy. The adhesive backing holds them securely in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.